Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about, I have been talking about the laws and the laws are working in the universal world and with your own mind. And this is what we are talking about. And let me introduce myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentor is Bob Proctor. If you don't know Bob Proctor, go and watch the YouTube. It's free on the YouTube. And you will learn how the law of attraction works. And the Bob Proctor was very good teaching how the law of attraction works. And he was very good with the mind and the universal laws. As you know, we have been talking about the laws. Today, I want to just explain a little bit more about the laws. So as you know, I have talked about the law of supply, law of abundance, law of gratitude, and infinite potential. So how we can start believing there's a laws, and how we can start using these laws around our goals, something we want as our business goals or something we want. And we have to have to convince ourselves, we have to have a believing in ourselves, we have to have a faith in within ourselves to start believing as our own mind, and we can apply these laws. And as you know, everything in the universe world's working as according to the laws, and the law is working all the time. Just like I'm going to give you a few examples, and then you have to start absorbing that, you have to start applying within yourself. And yeah, definitely that is the truth and it's working. As you know, we are human being with infinite potential. Infinite potential is power flowing to and through us all the time. Just like water flows, there's a falls and water is flowing all the time, day and night, and it's flowing in abundance. So same with our body as our mind, we are flowing with infinite potential. Infinite potential means we are flowing with the power to and through us all the time. Just like imagine that waterfalls, and the waterfall is falling all the time, the waterfalls. And same with that infinite potential flowing to and through us all the time. We can make out of anything through our mind, using this infinite potential, that power we call a power, or we call an energy. So energy flowing to us through us all the time, just like a waterfalls. And there's a sunlight. There's so much sunlight in the universe world. And then there's a day comes, after day night comes. It's an automatic process. And then season comes, season like winter, and then summer, and then after summer, autumn, after autumn, and the spring comes, after spring, then summer comes again. Or maybe you only have the 2 seasons, but that doesn't really matter. We are talking about the infinite potential is working all the time in the universe world. There's not lack in the universe world. There's abundance in the universe world. There's supply of everything all the time. So this is the reason I'm giving you the example. The waterfalls, there's enough light, or the season comes, it's automatic process. After days, night comes, after night, day comes. It's automatic process. Same with the infinite potential is flowing to and through us all the time, day and night, and it's flowing to and through us all the time. And there's not lack in the universe world. And so this is what I'm telling you. The universe world is abundance. So same with, we have to start applying within our mind and body and spirit. We have to start experience that. We have to start feel that. So there is not lack with my infinite potential, and I can be anything. I can create anything. I can be anything, and I can do anything. But we have to have the awareness first. If we don't have the awareness, and how we can start to think, and how we can start use this infinite potential. So this is the reason we have to talk about the universal law. We have to talk about how the mind works, and then we can start to have the awareness. This is the reason we have to have that information to understand, and then we can apply that information. So hopefully you're going to ponder that, you're going to start to think about that, and then you're going to start to feel that infinite potential is flowing to and through us all the time, every human being. So never feel there is a lack, there's a law of supply, there's enough in the universe world, there's a law of abundance, and there's an infinite potential flowing to and through us all the time. But we have to know how to apply this information around our goals, as business goals or something we want. We have to start think that, and then we can start create and be that whatever we are trying to achieve our goals. So we are working around our business goals, and I would like to know your goals and what are you trying to achieve 2023, and where you feel stuck at your goals, and what information you want to learn more, and we can start talking about that. And you can send me the message, book online on Zoom, and ask for all the questions, and I can help you as your goals. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. So infinite potential is flowing to and through us all the time, but how are you going to use your own mind? And that is the difference. Hopefully you're going to start doing that, and using the laws and your own mind. So never feel there is not enough. Never feel that this supply is not for me. Never start to feel lack, and always feel there's enough. The supply is there all the time for me. Whatever I'm trying to do, I'll have and create. But I have to know how to use this infinite potential. That's all you have to know. So I think that's all I wanted to share with you today. Bob Proctor told this information more than 60 years, because do you know why he did? Because he worked and still working. I have used this information around my goals, and I have achieved my goals, but I'm still working on my goals. And this information works because with my experience, it's working for me. And hopefully you can start using this information also, and you can start applying around your goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and please watch the YouTube again and again to understand the information and start applying on yourself. And I think that's all. Thank you for letting me share the information with you, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.